Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I will start your next chapter, that is major landforms. Have you remembered that on my first class I had told that about 71% of the earth's surface is covered by water bodies and only 29% is land. Only 29% is land. The land surface is not same all over the world. We all know that the lands are in different places. We find different types of land. At some places it is high and at some other places it is flat. Similarly, the kind of soil is also different at different places. These variations are called its landform. So, we learned about some major landforms of the Earth's surface are some major landforms. Landforms are first mountains. Second, plateaus. Plains. River valleys. And deserts. These are the name of some major landforms, and we will learn about this one by one in detail. So let us start with the topic mountain. Mountain. What is mountain? The elevated part of the earth's surface. Elevated part means very high. The elevated part of the earth's surface rising about 900 meter higher than the surrounding areas. Surrounding areas means the areas we live. That area is called surrounding areas are called mountains. And one more important thing, that about 20% of the earth's surface is covered by mountain. I am writing the definition. What is mountain? The elevated part of the earth's surface rising about 900 meter higher than the surrounding areas. Surrounding areas are called mountains. What is the meaning of elevated? Elevated means very high. Very high. Very high part of the earth's surface, rising about 900 meters higher than the surrounding areas are called mountains. and 20% of the Earth's surface is covered by mountains. 20% of the Earth's surface is covered by mountains. Now let us learn about the features of mountains. Features of mountains. Features. Features of mountains. First, mountains have steep slopes. Steep slopes. Sharp ridges. And peak. Steep slopes means it is very difficult to go upwards the mountain. Why? Because the shape of the mountain is in this way, and the upper part, in the top part, this part is called the peak. This is the peak, and it is very difficult for a person to go upwards. Okay. The second, the height and shape of the mountain vary from region to region. Region to region. Why the height and shape of the mountain vary from region to region? Why they are not equal in size? Because the difference of the height and shape of the mountain is due to their age. Now, third is the climate in the mountain is cooler than the plains. And the peak of the last one is the peak of the mountain is covered with snow throughout the year. The peak of the mountain is covered with snow throughout the year. Next, importance of mountain. Importance of mountain. Next, importance what is mountains? What is mountains? We all know that many rivers originate from the mountains and which provide water throughout the year. First, many rivers originate from the mountains. Which provide water throughout the year. Next, mountains are the storehouse of a wide variety of plants and animals. Storehouse means large variety of plants and animals found here. Mountains are the storehouse mountains are the storehouse of a wide variety of plants and animals. And last, we all know that many hill stations are located in the mountains which attract the tourists. Many hill stations are located in the mountains. So, we end up your class with the topic with mountain. Next, we will discuss in our next class about plateau and other some major landforms. Have a good day.